Hi there. Welcome to Innovative Stack. Today we'll dive deep into the basics of search engine optimization. We are doing it with a restaurant website as an example. If you're curious about how to make website rank on Google, this video is for you. Let's start with meta tags. These are super important. Your title tag is what shows up on Google search results and browser tabs. Next is meta description. This tag gives a short summary of your web page. It doesn't show up on the website itself, but it's often what Google displays in search results. Next, meta keywords. This was once used by search engines to understand what your page is about. You just list relevant keywords separated by commas. But today, most major search engines don't use it anymore for ranking. Still, some developers include it for older systems or internal search tools. Let's quickly talk about 3 useful meta tags for social sharing: OG title, OG description, and OG URL. These come from something called Open Graph, which helps control how your content looks when shared on platforms like Facebook or WhatsApp. First, OG title. This is the title that shows up in the preview when someone shares your page. Next, OG description. This gives a quick summary of your page, just like a meta description, but specifically for social media. And finally, OG URL. This is the link you want to be shared. It tells platforms which exact page the preview belongs to. Let's quickly understand how header tags are important in SEO. H1 is the main heading. It's the most important title of the page. You should only have one H1 per page, and it should clearly tell what the page is about. Then comes H2. These are subheadings. You can have multiple H2s to break your content into sections. And H3 is used under H2, like subsections inside a section. Let's talk about something small but super important in HTML: alt text for images. Alt text, or alternative text, is what you add to an image using the alt attribute. It describes what the image is about. Why does it matter? First, if the image doesn't load, the alt text is shown instead, so users still know what was there. Second, screen readers use alt text to describe images to people who are visually impaired. And bonus, it even helps with SEO. Next, URL structure. This just means how your website links look. For good SEO, your URLs should be short, clean, and easy to understand. Avoid messy links with random numbers or symbols. Those don't look professional. Try to link all the pages from the home page itself, like here linking menu page to the home page. Now, let's talk about the XML sitemap. It's basically a file that helps Google and other search engines understand what pages are on your website and how often they're updated. Let us create a sitemap.xml file first. Here's a quick breakdown of what you're seeing. Each URL tag block represents one page on your website. For example, lock https://oceanbytescoa.com//lock is the home page. Then we have last mod tag. This tells search engines when the page was last updated. Like here it says May 13th, 2025. Change frequently tag tells Google how often the page might change, weekly, monthly, etc. It's a hint for how often to check back. And priority tag shows how important that page is compared to others. Your home page is marked 1.0, which means it's the highest priority. So overall, the sitemap helps with better crawling and indexing. It's a small file, but super helpful for SEO. Now, let's take a look at the schema markup. This code helps Google and search engines understand what your website is about. This part is written in JSON-LD format and placed in the head of your HTML. It starts with defining the type as a restaurant, using the official schema from schema.org. The restaurant's name is Ocean Bites. There's also an image URL, which gives search engines a visual of the place. Under address, you'll see detailed location info. Street name, Butterfly Beach Road. Locality, South Goa. Region, Goa. Postal code, and country code IN for India. That's all for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to Innovative Stack.